Welcome to my channel Tanya's Diary. I am Tanya and today we're going to be talking about how do I convert a planter like so into something very beautiful like so. Isn't it pretty? Want to know how I did it? Let's get started with the video. Hi guys, welcome to Tanya's Diary, and today we're gonna be beautifying this spot right here into something a little bit better than this. So a little bit on the flashback, I got these cuttings for this plant from one of my friends, and all I did was to take whatever was laying around in my house at that point in time, which was nothing but a paint box, and shove in some potting mix, put the cutting side right so, and just let it form roots and be beautiful vine as it is. I love this plant because of its fleshy leaves, the sharp edges around the round leaves. I just love them because they're fleshy, they're green, they're just a perfect addition to your garden. And the thing is that it's really easy to maintain. It does not require much water, much sun, so you could practically keep on changing its place and just beautify the space around your home. But of course, like it has grown, I was thinking of repotting it, but the thing is that right now I don't see a sign in it to be repotted right now. So I would like to let it stay in this container, but of course I don't like this container anymore. So we're gonna be upgrading style a little bit. All you would be needing is some jegging, legging, or whatever it is, just because and this should be old, you don't want to do it with your new one. Something which has stretch at the end would do just enough. A scissor and one matching reel, thread and needle, that's all. So the only thing is that you would like to see is the length now. So just go ahead and roughly measure that it would cover the rim of your pot, and then just check for the length. So for me it would come out around, like if I just go from here and just see, so this is the point where I would like to cut it, and just a little bit more, like 1 inch more, just because we would want to fold it. This is the point where I would cut. So now you're gonna be cutting it. Just take this part, just to upside down, and all you're gonna be doing is take needle and thread and start sewing. Here is the finished product. It will look something like this, and all you need to do is to take your plant and insert it into it. For example, So
Thank you.